In this video, I'll show you how to verify your phone number on an Exness account. First, sign into your Exness personal area or the Exness Trade app. Exness says phone verification is part of the account verification process, and you'll usually be asked to enter your number and confirm it with a 6-digit code sent by SMS or phone call. Once you reach the verification section, enter your mobile number carefully, including the correct country code. Then choose how you want to receive the code, either by text message or by phone call. After that, wait for the code to arrive, enter the 6-digit code, and continue. If the code is correct, your phone number will be verified. If your Exness account is already open and you want to add or change a phone number later, go to Settings, then Security Settings, and choose Change under two-step verification. Exness says you can select New Phone Number, enter the new number, request a code, and then confirm the change using your current security method. One important thing to remember is that Exness says some payment methods may need extra re-verification after a phone number change. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.